Let's talk websites. For the first 2 years of my company, website was not the top priority for me. I was actually just utilizing one of those do-it-yourself websites and really wasn't having a lot of luck getting on the first page of Google. Also wasn't having much luck getting my Google business up on the list, and because of that my phone just was not ringing very much. So over the winter, after my second year in business, I decided to invest in a website. I also wanted to invest in someone to build that website for me. I wanted to invest in them doing the SEO work, building the website. I wanted a complete revamp from the ground up. Yes, having a new website built is very expensive, but in my opinion, it's one of the best investments you'll make in your business. So spending this time, this money over the winter building this website, it absolutely changed my business in my third season. My phone started ringing at the beginning of the season. Throughout the season, it started ringing more and more. It got to the point I just wasn't able to keep up with all the phone calls. I'm a solo operator. I was having to stop the mower every time my phone would ring, and it would get to the point I couldn't get anything done throughout the day because my phone was ringing so much. I was having to shut the mower down, answer the phone calls. So I would get to the point where at a certain time I was like, I just can't take any more phone calls. I just would let it go to voicemail so that I could get my work done for the day. This is absolutely a great problem to have because it also gave me the option to not have to take every job that came my way. I could be a little more picky and choosy about what I took. And if it was too hard for me to do by myself, I would just push it away and tell them I'm sorry, I'm completely full, I'm booked up, I just don't have any more space. This turned out to be one of the best investments I made in my business. I had another lawn care guy by the name of Brian Ring build my website. This is what he does in the winter months to make extra money. So I definitely felt like utilizing a guy that is in this industry, the lawn care industry, over a company that just builds websites, and it doesn't matter which type of websites those are, is a better way to go because these guys understand our industry. They know the keywords. They know what to utilize to get your website ranked whenever it comes to lawn care. So if you've been debating on building one of these do-it-yourself websites or going with a company that builds websites for you, I would highly suggest that you go with having someone do it for you. I struggled with it for 2 years. I struggled with getting the phone to ring, but as soon as I went with another company that built my website for me, it dramatically changed my business. So invest the time and the money into your business with a website, and I believe you will be shocked, just like I was, when your phone starts ringing and you can't keep up.